In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a list in Trello. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to Trello's website at trello.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in to your account. You can do this by clicking on the login button located at the top right corner of the page. There, you'll have the option to log in using your email address, or if you prefer, you can use your Google account. Just choose the one that works best for you. After successfully logging in, you'll be taken to your Trello home screen. From there, navigate to the Boards section, which you can find in the header. Once you're in the Boards area, you'll be able to see all your existing boards. If you have multiple workspaces, make sure you select the correct one under the Your Workspaces section. Next, locate and click on the board that contains the list you want to remove. Once your board is open, find the list you wish to delete. To the right of the list name, you'll see 3 dots. Click on them. This will bring up a menu with several options for managing your list. Here, you'll want to select Archive this list. Clicking this will remove the list from your board, but don't worry, it isn't permanently gone yet. To permanently delete the list, you'll need to access your archived items. Start by clicking on the 3 dots located in the upper right corner of the board. This will open another menu. From there, select the option labelled Archived Items. Once you're in the Archived Items section, you'll see options to manage your archived cards and lists. We're focusing on lists, so click on Switch to Lists. Now locate the list you just archived. To permanently delete it, you'll find a trash can icon next to the list. Clicking this icon will prompt a confirmation. If you're sure you want to delete this list permanently, go ahead and click Delete. And there you have it. The list is now completely removed from your Trello board and will no longer appear in your archived items. As a little tip, remember that archiving a list is a great way to temporarily hide it without losing any information, so consider using this feature if you think you might need that list in the future. And that's it for today's tutorial on how to remove a list in Trello. I hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful. Thanks for tuning in and happy organising with Trello.